Welcome to Digital Solite. In this course, we'll be teaching you all you have to know about HTML. Then we start up with introduction to HTML and how to set up your environment. What HTML stands for? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, just a backbone of the web. It's essential as a developer to know HTML. What you need for this course is just your text editor and your web browser. For text editor, you can use Visual Studio Code. That's my favorite and the one I'm going to use for this course. And for browser, we are going to use Chrome browser. In setting up your development environment, you need to download Visual Studio Code. So head over to Google, search on Visual Studio Code, click on download. So depending on the system you are using, I'm using Windows, I'm clicking on Windows. So it will automatically download once you click on the system you are using. So I think it's downloading right now, but I will cancel it because I already have it installed in my system. Once you are done installing the Visual Studio Code, then we are good to go and the environment is set. Let's take a look at what we will be learning in this course. Apart from learning the basics of HTML, we'll be adding up with CSS and also adding how to use ChatGPT to also do the same.